We know French wines are known for their strict quality control process. Right from soil, grapes, wine-making process, maturation, and bottling. In this video we'll listen, how the appellation d'origine contrôlée came into existence. Please listen to whole story. World War I had arrived just when wine growers were beginning to recover from another crisis. Phylloxera, a tiny insect that attacks the roots of grapevines, had invaded France in the middle of the 19th century, reducing vast areas of vineyard to what one wine grower described as rows of bare wooden stumps resembling huge graveyards. Over the next 30 years, the disease would spread to every vineyard in the country, prompting the government to offer a 300,000 franc prize to anyone who could find a cure. All kinds of ideas were suggested, ranging from the bizarre planting a live toad beneath each vine to the hopeful watering vineyards with white wine. Some growers flooded their vineyards with seawater, others sprayed their vines with a vast array of chemicals or simply burned them. Nothing seemed to work. The remedy, as it turned out, was something totally un-French. Growers discovered that by grafting their vines onto American rootstocks, which were naturally resistant to the root-eating louse, they could save their vines. It was a long and costly process. Vineyards had to be uprooted and replanted. Then growers had to wait several years for their vines to begin bearing fruit, and even longer for them to reach full maturity. Just when things began looking up after World War I, disaster struck again. This time it was the Great Depression, and the effect on the wine industry was devastating. In Champagne, major houses could no longer afford to buy grapes from their growers. In Alsace, huge numbers of wine growers went bankrupt. Those in Bordeaux were forced to accept prices that were below the national average, the first time in history that had happened. In Burgundy, wine production fell 40% as nearly half the vineyards went uncultivated. Even the great Domaine de la Romani Conti was floundering, but the family which owned it was determined to hold on to it. My father felt it was like a beautiful jewel a woman has in her jewelry box, Aubert de Villain recalled. She would not wear it every day, but she was determined to keep it so she could pass it on to her children. To do that, de Villain's father did what many other wine growers were forced to do to survive. He took on another job. It was his third. He was already managing the family farm and running Romani Conti, now he started working in a bank as well. My father was constantly busy, he never stopped, de Villain said, but that is how much he loved Romani Conti and he spent every spare moment working there. Although the Domaine de la Romani Conti would not begin showing a profit until 1959, it was still considered the standard bearer of Great Burgundy, a property that never cut corners or sacrificed quality for the sake of making money. That was something Maurice Drohin admired and deeply respected. With no one making much money anyway, Maurice decided to take a huge risk and create a business that concentrated on one thing only, Great Burgundy wine. My father had a vision of quality, Robert said, a desire to create wines that were a pure reflection of the terroir. Maurice had inherited a Maison du vin classique, which meant he sold a little bit of everything and made a little bit of wine himself, but that was about to change. From now on, he declared, not one drop of anything but Burgundy wine in my house. And he insisted that all those drops be good ones. He looked at the great wines being made by the struggling Domaine de la Romani Conti and thought, this is the future. So, in the mid-1930s, Maurice began buying 60% of the Domaine's production each year and distributing it. At the same time, he pushed his winemakers to improve the quality of wines of his own house, Maison Joseph Drohin, adopting the philosophy of Monsieur de Villain et Romani Conti, who believed that the winemaker was no more than an intermediary between the soil and the wine and that he should interfere as little as possible. In opting for quality at that moment, Maurice had, unknowingly, placed himself at the forefront of a movement that would herald major changes in French winemaking. Until then, winemaking had been haphazard, more instinctive than scientific. There were few rules, no limits, for example, on the use of sugar that winemakers usually added to boost the alcoholic strength of their wines when grapes failed to fully ripen. Too often, however, winemakers used it as a crutch for picking their grapes too early. Quantity, not quality, was their motto and the surest way, they believed, to make money. They planted high-yielding vines that produced inferior grapes and, predictably, inferior wine. To cover up faults, they dumped in sugar and syrup, which resulted in huge beefy wines more suitable for chewing than drinking. Often, a good Burgundy was not Burgundy at all because it had been arranged, or mixed with wines from the Rhône Valley and Algeria. Some, including Maurice Drohin, decided that was no longer acceptable. The solution, they decided, rested with three words: appellation d'origine contrôlée, or controlled place of origin. That meant wine should be what it says it is. Burgundy should be made only from grapes grown in Burgundy. The same was true with Bordeaux and wines from other regions. They should not be mixed. But AOC embraced much more than geography. It also stipulated which vines could be planted, how they had to be pruned, what fertilizers and chemicals could be used, and when harvesting could begin. Rules were also laid down for vinification, or winemaking. None of this happened overnight. As Remington Norman, a master of wine who has written extensively about Burgundy, points out, the AOC system did not spring ready-made from the mind of some enlightened lawgivers, but evolved over nearly 4 decades before being progressively codified from the 1920s onwards. Effective enforcement was the biggest headache. With only a few dozen inspectors, it was virtually impossible to keep watch over thousands of winemakers who labored creatively, if not scrupulously, in their cellars, blending a little of this with a little of that. As the famous French wine writer André Simon pointed out, blending is to some extent like kissing. It may be quite innocent, but it may lead one away from the narrow path of duty and propriety. That was particularly true in Bordeaux, where, in some years, only a third of the wine sold with a Bordeaux label was made in that region. Hope you liked the video and the Wine and War series. More videos will be followed explaining the French winemakers' struggle. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. Please like the video and share with your friends.